Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Sony WF-SP800N truly wireless earbuds that feature digital noise cancellation. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $200. Now they come in 3 different colors. You got black, blue, and orange. Alright, so at the end of this video, I'm going to answer 3 questions. Number 1, are these worth $200? Number 2, do they sound better or equal to the Sony M3s? And number 3, where do these rank at against my top 3 truly wireless earbuds that have noise cancellation? As of right now, number 1 on my list, the Sennheiser Momentum 2s. Number 2, Sony M3s. And number 3, AirPod Pros. Alright, so let's go through the features real quick. You got your Google Assistant and your Amazon Alexa built in. Now you got extra bass, 9 hours worth of battery on a single charge with an additional 9 hours using a charging case. Now you can bump that up if you turn off noise cancellation. Now these are IP55 sweat and water resistant, Bluetooth technology, and you got 360 reality audio. Let's see anything else. Now you got fast charge, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 60 minutes of playtime. You got your touch controls. You do have an app that's available for Android and iOS. Crystal clear calls, alright, so you can use this to talk on the phone. USB Type-C charging. Alright, so all of that for $200. Let's see what it is. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. You got the Tiger Tooth on deck. Let's get busy. Right. Okay, now on the side note, just in case you're wondering, what's the major difference between these and the M3s? These are water resistant. The M3s aren't. The M3s should have better noise cancellation, and these should have a better fit than the M3s. So these are basically similar, but you would get these for the gym. You would get the 800Ns for the gym. Okay, let's see what you got inside here now. I'm going to try to make this video quick. So let's not beat around the bush. Giggity. All right, so we got a nice presentation alert. Okay, quick start guide. Let me file that. These are going to be your earbuds. Now, like I said, these should be more comfortable and easier to wear to the gym than the M3s. That was one of my biggest gripes with the M3s. They're not water resistant, so you can take a chance wearing them to the gym if you want. If they get wet, you asked out. But more importantly, they just didn't fit right. They're not too comfortable to work at in. And these got your little wing tips, so that should solve that problem. Let's see what else you get. Now, this is going to be your charging case. Okay, Sony branding on the top. USB Type-C charging. I like that. Let's see what else you get. Now, here we go. Inside here, I know. Got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. This is going to be your USB Type-C charging cable. Now, again, I hate these small little cables, but it is what it is. You get some different size wing tips and some different size earbuds. Play with those, get the right fit. Some more usual books and shit. And your 360-degree reality audio music freeze trial. Plug it and file it. All right. Now, for just size comparison, let's grab the M3s. This is what I was talking about. You see with the M3s, there's no wing on these. And these have that oval shape. So now with the 800Ns, you got the wing on the back. So that's going to lock into your ear. So when you're doing your backflips in the gym, they're not going to fall out. All right, so let me pause the video. I'll grab a phone. We'll pair these up. Matter of fact, let's drop these in the case first. Get this initial charge going on. That's how they're going to look. Just like that. All right, so let me grab a phone. We'll pair these up, and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, before we start our usual testing, guess who showed up for work late, but still great? Ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my
White Shoes, calm down. All right, so the first thing we want to test is the magnets in the charging case. So I'm going to start off with minimum shakage. Okay, no movement. Let's increase to intermediate shakage. Okay, a little bit of movement. Maximum shakage. Rah, 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 rah. Okay, so these will survive intermediate shakeage. So basically, the magnets are pretty strong. All right, so the first thing you want to do is pair up your headphones. Now, once you take them out the case, they'll automatically be in Bluetooth pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the 800Ns. The next thing you want to do is download the Sony headphones app. Now, once you open this up and connect to your headphones, this will give you full access to all of the features. So let's run through those real quick. You got the name of the headphones. You got your battery percentage for the left, the right, and the case. You got a power button, so you can turn them on and off. And you got your tutorial, your version, notifications and information. You can launch your music control center, about, and help. Now, this is the status tab. So if you want, you can have adaptive sound control on or off. Now, if you turn that on, basically what that does is, right now I'm sitting in a quiet environment. If I happen to walk outside and I have adaptive sound control on, it'll automatically turn on noise cancellation. Then when I get back to where it's quiet, it'll automatically turn it off. All right, so we're going to leave that off. You got your song, you got play and pause, and you got your volume controls. Next, we'll take it over to the sound tab. Now you can turn on ambient sound control. I'm wearing the headphones right now. I got ambient sound turned on, and I can hear my voice perfectly clear. But if you want to, you can lower that and have more of your music playing, or increase it and have more of your voice. You got an equalizer, which you can set from speech to manual. You got two customs. You can turn it off. You got bright, excited, mellow, relaxed, vocal, treble boost, and my favorite, bass boost. Now you got your 360-degree reality audio setup. Now I'm going to leave that off because on the side note, that only works for certain apps, and I don't use those apps. Now you got your sound quality mode, so you can have a priority for sound or priority for stable connection. We'll leave it for sound. Take it over to systems. Now if you want to, you can change your touch controls. So right now, for the left, I got ambient sound, but if you want to, you can have playback, volume, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or just turn it off. You got automatic power. All right, so we'll leave that on this way. Save some battery. Pauses when the headphones turn off. Leave that on. Got your notifications, automatic download software. That's pretty much it. All right, so now let's talk about the fit. And this is what separates these from the Sony M3s. The fit on these is super comfortable, but most importantly, they do not move at all. So these will be perfect for the gym. Matter of fact, let's do the head shake test. I'm going to start off at minimum shakeage. No movement at all. Let's go to intermediate shakeage. Okay, no movement. And now maximum shakeage. Okay, almost passed out, but they didn't move 1 inch. Here's how they're going to look when you're wearing them. All right, shout out to the Corona Fro. We still growing it. No movement at all. Perfect for the gym. Now, let's do a sound test. All right, so I got a classic queued up, Young Lover. We're going to switch it up today. I'm going to start off with max volume, the EQ set to bass boost, and noise cancellation turned on. All right, so one tap for play and pause. I promise y'all I'm not going to sing. Birdman hands rubbing together. Let's get it on. Okay. Woo! For 18 and over. For 18 and over. All right, fuck it, let's go. Girl, won't you go home? Go home to your mama. Your mama. Go home to your papa. Your papa, you're too young to be my lover. To be female lover. Oh, you must be 18 and over. Yo, hold up. Let me let this rock. Oh my God. Hold up. One tap for play and pause. Yo. Yo. Ladies and gentlemen, Sony has done it again. All right, Sony has done it again. These sound incredible. If you heard the Sony M3s, you know what to expect. I play with that EQ for yourself, but when the bass dropped on these, and I haven't even tried my official music yet, these sound incredible. All right, now let me test out a few different songs, and we'll get back in. All right, now I just tested these out with a bunch of different songs from a bunch of different artists, and I gotta be honest with y'all, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Sony WF-SP800Ns are a major go. And at $200, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Now I've been searching for the longest to find a set of headphones that could take the place of my Powerbeats Pros at the gym. Ladies and gentlemen, I just found them. Not only do these stay in my ears, just like the Power Beats. You see the Power Beats got that wing. These have the wing. They're not going to move around in your ears. But you got digital noise cancellation. You got a fully functional app. And these sound better. And I'm keeping it real with y'all. These sound incredible. It's over for the Power Beats Pros. Let's do the rest of our testing. All right, so first let's do the reconnection test. How long do these take to reconnect to your phone after you take them off and put them in the charging case? All right, so I got the music playing. Let's take these out. Drop them in the case. Close them up. Fully disconnected. Take them back out. 1,000. 2 1,000. 3 1,000. 4 1,000. Just connected. So between 4 and 5 1,000s. That's pretty good. All right, so now let's do the one earbud test. Can you play music from one earbud while the other one is charging up in the case? Let's hit play. Okay, so I'm going to take out the right side, drop it in the case. We'll close it up. Let's hit play. Okay, the left side is still playing. Let's put the right side back in. Wait for it to reconnect. Okay, just reconnect it. Now I'm going to take the left side out, drop it in the case. Let's hit play. The right side is still playing. Ladies and gentlemen, you could play music from either earbud while the other one is charging in the case. That's a win. All right, so now let's do the range test. I'm going to walk all the way to 50 feet and let's see if there's any drop connection. All right, so let's hit play on the music. All right, let me start walking. Okay, this is 30 feet. 40 feet. 50 feet. Informer, you know, say that it's over, y'all go play. I like a boom, boom, there. All right, I'm coming back. Informer. All right, let's hit pause. Okay, so I walked all the way to 50 feet, no drop connection at all. All right, so now let's check the touch controls. One tap on the right side for play and pause. Okay, no problems with that. Double tap to skip to the next song. Okay, that's fine. Triple tap to reverse. Okay, that works. And long press for your voice assistant. What's the weather for tomorrow? Okay, no problems with that. Now for the left earbud, one tap to turn on noise cancellation. Okay, now that does have a voice prompt. Now another tap to turn on ambient sound mode. Okay, now I'm in ambient sound mode. My voice is crystal clear. I can hear everything around me. And if you long press on the left earbud, that's quick attention mode. So say you got your music on and you just want to have a quick conversation without turning on ambient sound mode, just press it and hold it and it'll mute your music and increase your voice. So all of the touch controls work. All right, so now let's check for lag latency. And what I mean by that is when you're watching a video, is there any delay from the person's lips to what you hear? Okay, no delay at all. So this will be perfect for watching your videos, perfect for watching your movies. All right, so now let's check the call quality. All right, of course, I'm dialing to Maya. It's ringing out of both ears. Yeah. Yo, your voice sounds mad loud. How do I sound? Sounds clear? This sounds the best that I've ever sounded, even better than my AirPods. Guess what headphones I'm using? Guess what headphones I'm using right now? These new ones called the AirPod 3s. They never even came out yet. No, I'm just kidding. I know you was getting mad hype. the fake joints, yo. The flare pods, yo. Nah, chill. Don't blow me up, man. I got a few fakes on deck though, yo. I gotta set with your name on it though. I know. What up? What you doing? Oh, you at a barbecue? What's up with the social distancing, yo? Well, I'm saying if y'all don't care no more, then what's up? I'm coming through. Let me get a hot dog, yo. What up? Let me get a burger, yo. Yo, if nobody don't care no more, let me get a plate, yo. That's all I'm saying, yo. If coronavirus is gone, I want to play. I know I'm a fat ass. All right, yo. All right, I'm about. Let me call you back in a minute. All right, let me wrap this up. I'm gonna call you back because I gotta tell you some juicy tea. All right, good. Bye. All right, now. Yo, I gotta say one thing. The volume on these, the volume is mad loud. This is one time I might have to turn these down. Talking on the phone with these, the volume was super loud and clear. So I like these. I'm definitely feeling these for talking on the phone. All right, so now let me answer those 3 questions. Number 1, are these worth $200? And the answer is yes. Not only yes, hell yes. Worth every penny. Number 2, how do these rank against the Sony M3s? Well, in terms of sound quality, they pretty much sound the same, but when it comes to noise cancellation, the M3s cancel out more noise. So if you're looking for a set that's going to cancel the most amount of noise, you got to go with the M3s. The noise cancellation is a little bit better. But sound quality wise, as far as music, they pretty much sound the same, and ambient sound mode pretty much sounds the same. And number 3, where do these rank at in my top 3 truly wireless earbuds with noise cancellation? And as of right now, they didn't make the cut. Number 1 on my list is still the Sennheisers. All right, these cancel out a lot of noise, but they sound incredible. Number 2, Sony M3s. Cancel out a lot of noise. They sound incredible. And number 3, AirPod Pros. Now, you can say whatever you want about the AirPods. These cancel out a lot of noise, and they sound incredible. Let's wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Sony WF-SP800Ns are a major go. And like I said, for $200, the price is right. I'm definitely sold on these. The fit is excellent, so now you could rock these to the gym. They're not going to fall out. Plus, they're IP55 sweat and water resistant. You got 9 hours worth of battery on a single charge, plus 9 hours with the case, and quick charge. 10 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour worth of playtime. That's pretty dope. The ambient sound mode works perfectly. As far as noise cancellation, it does cancel out a lot of noise. Not the best on the market, but it does work. You are getting noise cancellation. Your music is going to sound great. No lag when you're watching your videos. You can use these one at a time while the other one is charging up in the case. So that's going to double your battery life. The phone call sounded pretty good and super loud. But most importantly, the sound quality on these is going to blow you away. Trust me when I tell you, make sure you download the app and play with the EQ settings for yourself. The EQ is the game changer on these. All right, trust me, these sound incredible. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Enterprise out. Energize.